Do you ever wonder why your YouTube videos are not getting any attention? It could be because you're not doing it right. Don't worry though, because today we're going to break down the process of building a successful YouTube channel into clear, manageable steps. Firstly, identifying your niche is crucial. You must understand what type of content you want to create and who your target audience is. It's essential to find a niche that you're passionate about and where there's a demand for content. Secondly, research your keywords. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or SEMrush to discover relevant keywords in your niche. These keywords should be woven into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to enhance your visibility in search results. Thirdly, focus on creating compelling content. This means high quality, engaging material that provides value to your viewers. Consider the problems or questions your target audience might have, and then tailor your content to address those needs. Next, you must optimize your metadata. This involves enhancing your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve your chances of ranking in YouTube search results. Use catchy titles and compelling descriptions to attract viewers to click on your videos. Following that, design eye-catching thumbnails. These should be visually appealing, accurately represent your video content, and grab viewers' attention. Use bold text, vibrant colors, and compelling images to make your thumbnails stand out. The sixth step is to promote your videos. Share them on social media platforms, relevant online communities, and forums where your target audience hangs out. Engage with your audience and encourage them to watch and share your videos with their networks. Another powerful strategy is to collaborate with other creators. Team up with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote each other's content and reach a wider audience. Look for opportunities to collaborate on videos, shout-outs, or joint projects that appeal to both of your audience. Engaging with your audience is also a key component. Encourage viewers to leave comments, ask questions, and share their thoughts on your videos. Make sure to respond to comments promptly and engage with your audience to build a sense of community around your channel. Consistency is key. Stick to a regular upload schedule so your subscribers know when to expect new content from you. This consistency will help to build a loyal audience and keep viewers coming back for more. Lastly, track your progress. Monitor your YouTube analytics to track your video performance and identify areas for improvement. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, audience retention, and click-through rate to understand what's working and what's not. By following these steps and staying persistent, you can start to build your YouTube channel and attract a larger following over time. Remember that growing a successful channel takes time and effort. So stay focused on creating great content and engaging with your audience. You've got this.